This is Everyday Adaptive from AECorner Community, real solutions for dignity, independence, and comfort in daily life. Today's piece, Roller Coaster Ride or Free Fall, the AECC Founder's Story. Every founder's story has a moment where the roller coaster crests the first hill and you realize, with equal parts exhilaration and terror, that there is no getting off now. For the founding team of AECorner Community, that moment came somewhere between the third trade show and the realization that enthusiasm, however genuine, is not the same thing as infrastructure. But that is getting ahead of the story. The foundation of Something There There LLC, the parent company behind AECorner Community, was never a boardroom decision. It was more like a recognition. The kind that happens when the right people find themselves in the same room and suddenly see what nobody else has seen yet. Cindy and Christina Hardin Weiss had spent a decade building one of the most trusted independent voices in adaptive equipment on nothing but clinical honesty and genuine care. Janice Shakrian had built Tausi brands from a nursing home chair and a daughter's love. Kathleen Quinn had built Mobility Towel from a mother's quiet loss of dignity. And Sia Yasso Torn Rat, with over 20 years in corporate technology sales and 7 years in hospitality, looked at all of it and saw something they hadn't fully seen themselves yet. A movement that needed a stage. Sia's North Star has always been the Maya Angelou principle, even before she could have articulated it as such. People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Kathleen brought the educator's lens, the reason AECC content teaches rather than sells. Janice brought the storyteller's gift and the community builder's instinct. Together with Kathleen, she became the voice for AEPIC, the adaptive equipment product innovator community. And Cindy and Christina brought the thing that cannot be manufactured or transferred: trust. A decade of it, with 104,000 people who found exactly what they needed at AECorner. When these 5 came together, they did what founders do when belief runs ahead of blueprint. They moved fast. 1 show became 2. 2 became 4. And somewhere in the momentum, the founding team found themselves committed to multiple cities simultaneously, producing co-branded assets, managing trade show logistics, and running full marketing operations across every platform, all on a startup budget. The roller coaster had become a free fall. By January 2026, the team was honest with each other in the way that only people who genuinely trust each other can be. The model was not sustainable. Something had to change. When your intentions are pure, you don't lose anyone. They lose you. And here's what they discovered. They hadn't lost anyone. The member brands were still there. The Abilities Expo partnership was still there. The 104,000 families were still there. The mission was still there. What they had lost was a model that was never going to scale. And losing that was not a failure. The pivot was clear. A shift to online focus, with content and community at the center. AECC as the trusted voice for adaptive equipment in everyday living. AEPIC as the amplification engine for the innovators building the solutions. And a deeper, more intentional co-marketing partnership with Abilities Expo, building community far beyond the show floor. The roller coaster did not derail. It just found its track. A rising tide lifts all boats. That has always been the belief at the center of AECorner Community. Not one brand winning at another's expense. An entire ecosystem rising together, because the more trusted voices join this conversation, the better it gets for every caregiver, every family, and every person navigating daily life with different needs. Not a smaller vision, a clearer one. What they never got wrong was the reason they started, and the people they started it for. That has always been enough to keep building. AECorner Community exists for moments exactly like this one. Dignity, independence, and comfort aren't just words here. You found your home. Everyday Adaptive is a production of AECorner Community in partnership with Brilliant Beam Media.